Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.3 question number 3. Multiply the following fractions. Let us multiply. Number 1 is 2 by 5 into 5 whole 1 by 4. That is equal to 2 by 5 into, this is a mixed fraction. Multiply the whole number with the denominator. 3 5 4 is 20 and add the numerator. 5 5 is 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. 21 by 4. Right? Now convert it into lowest term, that is 2 by 4, that is 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4, that is comes to 21 by 5 2 is 10. Now divide 21 by 10, that is 10, 2 is 20, 21 20 is 1, that is we are getting 2 whole 1 by 10. This is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2 is 6 whole 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. 7 by 9, that is equal to, this is the whole number, this is the denominator, multiply the whole number with the denominator, that is 5 6 30, and add the numerator. 5 6 30 plus 2 32, that is 32 by 5. 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. 5 9 is 45 and multiply 32 is 7. Multiply 32 by 7, that is 7 to the 14, carry 1, here it is 4, 3 6 is 21 plus 1 22, 224, 224. Now you have to divide 224 by 45, right? Here you are dividing, here you see, that is 224 is divided by 45. Let us multiply by 4, 45 with 4, that is 4 5 is 20, 2 here 0, 4 4 is 16, 17, 18, 180, 180. Then again multiply it by 5, 45 by 5, that it is getting by 5 5 5 is 25, 2 here 5, 4 4 is 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 225, right? So we have to multiply with 4, right? That is 45 by 4 into 4 is equal to 180. And we subtract it, we are getting, it is 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, 44, right? Therefore we are getting 4 whole and 44 by 45 by 45. This is the answer of question number 2. Now question number 3. Here you see question number 3 is what is question number 3? Question number 3 is 3 by 2 into 5 whole, 5 whole, 1 by 3. That is equal to 3 by 2 into, multiply this number with this number. 5 into 3, 3 by 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. 16 by 3. Right? Here 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. That is equal to 8 1 is 8, 1 1 is 1. That is equal to 8 is the answer. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 6 by 5, 5 by 6, 5 by 6 into 2 whole, 3 by 7, 3 by 7. Therefore we are getting 5 by 6, 5 by 6 into 2 wholes, 3 by 7. Therefore multiply whole number with the denominator, that is 7 for 2 7 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. That is 17 by 7. Here 6 7 is 42 and 17 into 5. If we multiply 17 with 5, that is 5 7 is 35, 3 where 5, 5 1 is 5 plus 3 8, that is 85. 85 by 42, 85 by 42. Now divide this 85 by 42. Divide 85 by the number 42. 42. That is, if we divide it by 2, 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. 85 minus 84, that is equal to 1. Right? Then we are getting the answer 2 whole, and remainder is 1, and divisor there is 42. 2 whole 1 by 42 is the answer of question number 4. Right? Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 3 whole, 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Therefore we are getting, multiply this number, whole number with the denominator, that is 3 5 is 15, and add the numerator, 3 5 is 15 plus 2, 17. That is 17 by 5, 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Then multiply the denominator, 3 5 is 35, and multiply 17 with 4. Multiply 17 with 4. 34 7 is 28. 4 to 6, 68. That is 68 by 35. Right? Now divide 68 by 35. Divide 68 by 35. That is 35 1 is 35. 8 minus 5, that is 3. 33. That we are getting 1 whole 33 by 35. This is the answer of question number 5. Now question number 6 is question number 6. What is question number 6? You see, it is 2 whole 3 by 5, 3 by 5 into 3. That is, we are getting, multiply the whole number with the denominator, that is 5 to the 10, and add with the numerator. 5 to the 10 plus 3, 13. That is 13 by 5. 13 by 5 into 3, right, by 1 also. 13 3 are 39 by 5. Now if we divide 39 by 5, we are dividing 39 divided by 5. 5 7 is 35, 35, and 39 minus 35, that is 4. Right? Therefore, we are getting 7 whole 4 by 5. This is the answer. Now, question number 7. Question number 7 is 3 whole 4 by 7 there is the 3 whole actually. Let us rub it this one. Erase this one. This is not 34. Right? Here you see 7 is 3 whole 4 by 7. 3 whole 4 by 7. 3 whole 4 by 7 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. That will be equal to, multiply the whole number with the denominator, that is 3 7 is 21 plus 4, that is 25. 25 by 7 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. 25 into 3, that is 75. 75 and 5 7 is 35. Now divide 75 by 35. We are dividing here 75 by 35. 35 2 just 70. 75 minus 70 is 5. Right? Therefore, we are getting 2 whole 5 by 35. 2 whole 5 by 35. Or you can reduce into lowest term, that is 5 1 is 5 and 5 7 is 35. That will be equal to 2 whole 1 by 7. Right? Right? Now, these are the solution of question number 3 of exercise 2.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.